I have this H&S programmer for my truck that I like to hardwire. Instead of having it plugged into the cigarette lighter, I like to hardwire it with the truck with the ignition, so it comes on when the key is on and it shuts off when the key is off. So I have the fuse panel opened up here. I took the cover off of it so we can access that. I have a test light here. One end of it is connected to the negative battery terminal. So what I'm trying to look for is a fuse that or a circuit that comes on with the key on and off with the key off. And so if you just tap on the, like for instance this one here, looks like that's always on, so that's battery powered. That's not what I need. So I need a circuit that'll come on with the key on and off with the key off. So it looks like this circuit has no power here, so I'll turn the key on and see if that goes on. So I have the ignition key on, and looks like this circuit here does go on with the key, and with the key off it does turn off. So that's the circuit I'm going to be tapping into. I have the wire from my programmer run through the cab and right next to the fuse here, so that's the wire we'll be connecting to the new circuit. So now that we know which circuit we're going to be using, it's going to be this 15 amp fuse here. That's the circuit that goes on and off with the ignition key, so I'll go ahead and pull that fuse out. And what we're going to use is this nifty little fusible to tap into that circuit. So what this does is it'll piggyback off of the original circuit and give us another circuit. We'll take this link and the original 15 amp fuse that we pulled out of the fuse box, we'll go ahead and put this at the bottom of this circuit. That'll be our original circuit. Smaller fuse, I have a 7.5 amp here. That'll run our new circuit, which is going to be the top one, just like so. And we'll go ahead and plug that in there. Now we're ready to plug this into the fuse box, and then we'll connect our wire to this end of it. Plug this into where we pulled the original fuse from, just like so. That's plugged in, and now we got this wire. This end, we'll just go ahead and connect that to our power wire for our programmer, and we'll see if that comes on and off with our key. So now I have a wire connection made here. This is a great way to run any accessories, have it be a stereo, amplifier, whatever accessory that you're trying to run, a radar detector. This is a great way of doing it because it keeps your original circuit intact with the original fuse, and it just piggies back and gives you another circuit to run an accessory. So now that we got everything plugged in, let's go ahead and see if it works. The key on, looks like we have power, and let's make sure it shuts off with the key off, and that's exactly what we wanted. So this is a great way of powering any accessories from your original fuse box, instead of having it plugged into your 12 volt cigarette lighter type of a deal. Okay, thank you for watching.